Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, June the 4th, 2021, almost weekend, and one puzzle left, and it's a tectonic with 4 stars, and this puzzle will be number 2898. Alright, 2898. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. So it could be a hard one or an easy one. Last time I had 14 printed digits, and it took me more than 30 minutes to solve, because for a 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. All right, so let's begin. And the first question to you is, can we see here, can you see the single boxes? I see 2 single boxes. Single boxes are always a 1. All right, here also a 1. Then do we have here dual boxes? Yeah, here a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes. No, triple box. I see here triple box, and there also a triple box. I cannot fill this yet. Need to win, but those 2 numbers, I can mark them. The 1 and the 2 are left. Here also the 1 and the 2 are left. I do not know in which order. Only 2 triple boxes. Do we have quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. I cannot fill the numbers. Need to wait. Here also a quadra box. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures or construction structures. For example, here we have an L shape upside down. Yes. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More L shapes? No. Then how about this kind of shape here? Alright. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Same construction or structure. This box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes or structures. Here another one. Rotated. This box is same number. No. This box, correction, is the same number as that box. Okay. So I need to correct this. This is not good. Okay. All right. So this box, same number as that box. More. No. Here we have. Okay, then the following structure or figure. This one. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. That means this box should be also a 1 or a 2. More of these kind of shapes? No. No. Then the following figure of shape, this one. Okay, this one. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So we have a 2 here. Alright. Okay. Those are the figures. There are more. But in this puzzle, you need to recognize 4 of those figures or shapes. So let's get started with filling the numbers. All right. Let me see. This is a 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1 because I have a double 1 there. If I fill a 1 here, then I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here cannot be a 1, but also those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left. In this area for the numbers 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. And it's connected with that box. Should be also a 2. In this triple box, I have 1 box left for the number 1. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. If I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. We already have a 1 here. So the only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Okay. Then. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes 4 and 5. Okay, that means that this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4, and this box will be a 5. Okay. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Okay. These 2 boxes in this quarter box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 3 because I have a double 3 there. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Now I have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 5. 2 boxes left for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Oh, wait. It's connected. Those 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes together as a pair. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 4. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it must be a 2. And that box should be a 1. Now I have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 3. Okay. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4, and this box will be a 1. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box will be a 2, and this box will be a 5. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box will be a 2, and this box will be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box will be a 2, and this box will be a 1. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic. But is it really a 4 stars? No, I think whether it's a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars Sudoku or a puzzle, I need 15 minutes to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. I have a playlist for the killer Sudokus, heavy, light, quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great Friday, fantastic Friday. We will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yeah, have a great weekend. Bye bye for now.